Episode 4. The Myth of Progress. We are told that history moves forward, that things get better because time passes, that progress is automatic, inevitable, and kind. But progress is not a law of nature. It is a story we tell ourselves to feel safe in the present. The belief that tomorrow will fix what today refuses to confront. Technologies improve, tools sharpen, systems scale, but people do not automatically become wiser simply because the calendar advances. Every generation believes it is more enlightened than the last, and every generation carries forward the same fears, the same power struggles, the same blind spots, just wrapped in new language. Progress without reflection is just movement. Faster motion does not mean better direction. Real progress is rare because it requires restraint. It requires admitting that not everything new is an improvement, and not everything old was foolish. The myth of progress comforts us by removing responsibility. If things are getting better anyway, we don't have to change ourselves. But nothing improves by default. It improves because someone notices what is broken and chooses to pay attention. Progress is not time moving forward. It is awareness moving inward.